Let's fill out the Iowa boat bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Selling a boat in this state? Let's walk through exactly what you'll need to get the paperwork right. First, the seller needs to sign the bottom of the registration, right where it says seller's signature. Make sure that's filled out completely before anything else. Next, your bill of sale needs to include sufficient detail, so don't leave anything vague. Be thorough and clear about what's being sold. You'll also need to include the date of sale, and the sale price must be listed on the paperwork as well. If there's any financing involved, you'll need to include lien holder information. So if there's a loan on the boat, have that ready to go. Now, here's an important one. This state requires the bill of sale to be signed by a conservation officer or a peace officer. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.